On this video, I'm going to be replacing the speed control sensor, which is located down here, right there, in front of my finger, on a Honda Foreman / Rubicon TRX500 FA 2002 ATV 4x4. I'm having trouble with the, well, not only the gear shifting, but which is working, but not as reliable as I'd like it, but specifically shifting gears into different speeds. So I'm hoping that the speed control will take care of that. If it doesn't, I may need to also replace the angle sensor. But for now, I'm going to replace this little guy here, speed control, on this. So I'm going to remove those two bolts, and then I'm going to go across to the other side, where I'm on the left-hand side of the ATV here. And I will go on the other side when I'm done with this and try and disconnect the electronic connector for it. So we'll have to find that. But just wanted to show you here. It's just I just removed the side covers here. On the side, there's a couple of them to get access to this sensor. You can see it there. It looks pretty dirty, so maybe that'll help. But anyways, I'm going to remove that. I'll show you here later and how we put the new one in. Stand by. Okay, I was able to find the connector. I just stuck a flat screwdriver underneath to release the little plastic tab, and then it came right out. But I want to show you, the connector actually connects on the opposite side where the sensor is, on the right side. So let me show you that. So there's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 sensors, connectors, and it's the front connector. You see it right there. And then it comes down here and around the chassis and over to the other side and connects to the part of the engine there, the transmission. So just wanted to show you. I was able to it's actually easier just to remove the rear tire, and I can get access to this without having to take away any of the plastic flarings and stuff like that, because that was going to be a hassle. So it was quicker just to take the wheel off and get access to the connectors there. So, and it just shoved up in there and connected and stuff. So now I'm going to go back over to the other side and put the new sensor in. So we'll be right back. I'm going to put the new rubberized, yeah, I guess it's kind of plastic gasket on first, and then I'll get the new sensor in place and put the two little bolts back. Those are 8mm bolts that hold the sensor on, so for this particular model. So alright, we'll be right back and show you that. Okay, well, I got the new plastic gasket in there with the new sensor tied in from the other side, kind of wraps around there. Two little 8mm bolts to put that in, tighten those down nice and tight. Did have some trouble with this plastic, which cowling or whatever you want to call it, but just pull that out of the way and get in there. It just took some doing. And then next I'm going to put the outer shell on here. I'm not going to do everything and show you, but I'll at least get that one piece on here, and it's two bolts that go right here. So be right back. And there you can see the plastic housing on the outside there. I'm not going to put everything back on there, but just to show you that piece there. But the rest you can figure out if you want that back on. I leave mine off just because it allows it to run a little cooler and stuff, and it doesn't burn my leg or anything. So, but that sensor is nice and tucked down in there underneath there now. So just wanted to show you that and how to install that. All right, Hey, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.